I have fixed one of the worst OBS errors and I will show you how I fix it. So if you receive this one, encoding overloaded, consider turning down video settings or using a faster encoding preset. Oh man, I cannot describe you how hard it was to fix. I googled it up, I searched it and everything was hard to find, and I thought why not to create a video about it, how I fix it. So let me show you when I have received that error. Let me show you. So first of all, I have not received every time this error. I am receiving this error only when playing Survival Ascended, because this AAA game is one of the most consuming resources game which ever existed, at least from my Steam library. And let me show you when this error pops up. So I have here a recording. If you have a look, let me lower the volume. So everything runs smooth, alright? Let me speed this up a little bit. Alright, so as you can see, it runs perfectly smooth until I touch the water. I don't know what this water is made from, but the moment I touch water, I receive that error. And the filming is starting to get laggy and laggier every frame, every minute from now on. And at the moment, it will run in photos, as you can see. So the water screwed my movie here. And let's close it for now. And down here, I have another movie to confirm my theory, because the water is screwing up my filming. This time I started the movie exactly in the water, and that moment, yeah, just photos, it runs in photos. Okay, close it, and I google up this error, and some people said, let me show you, the OBS is right here. Some people said if you go to settings, output and recording, and down here you can see I can't modify anything because I'm recording right now, but some people said you should lower the quality. As an example, the bitrate, the higher the bitrate, the most quality you will have, and the lower the bitrate is, the less quality it will be the movie, right? And also you can find here the preset. This will also influence the quality, and I usually run it at best quality at slowest, and I never had a problem until I ran the arc, and I said okay, let's give it a try. And actually I did this in reverse. I increased the bitrate to 18,000, and also the preset I leave it as it was on best quality. And can you guess what happened after I done this? I will show you. The OBS didn't respond. I mean, I couldn't stop the movie. You can see right here the stopping recording it's freezed and it crashed. Yeah, this error is still here, and I had to close OBS through Test Manager, so it got worse. So I said, all right, this could be a good sign. So what I did instead, this time I go to settings, output and recording, and this time I lower it. I lower it to 1200 bitrate. At preset, I left it on good quality, and this was what it was. And even like that, with a lower bitrate, you will have a higher quality than OBS with default settings. With default settings, I think you have somewhere around 6000 bitrate. So with 12,000, you will double the quality. And also the preset, I believe the OBS default settings is on medium or good quality, so I left it on good quality. So what I'm recommending you to do, if you have these errors, lower the bitrate to 12,000 will be okay. And also if you use the P5 preset good quality, I never encounter any problem after that, because I have another movie right here. I believe this one is okay, everything fine. Let's see. Yes, finally I was able to record a long video, and let me show you the moment I entered the water. No more freezing. So this is the movie after my settings. So now it's fine. And I don't truly understand what's happening, because it's not like I have a budget PC, 128 memory, CPU, and also the GPU is the RTX 5080. So it's not like a budget PC and I have to lower the quality of the settings. I don't truly understand it. And I googled it up even more, and I heard Ark Survival Ascended. This game is a very heavy CPU game. So the recording and the game have to run at maximum all the time. Some people said you have to enable the VSync, so the frame rate never goes above 60, and in this way you will have more room for the OBS. So the quick fix is, I'll show you right now. Just copy the settings and the bitrate and also everything else. Now for the streaming, I never streamed in my life, but you can do pretty much the same right here. So this is how I fixed that crappy error which I received right here. And after I've done all this, I have another movie right here. No, not this one. This one, I think. Alright, so I've done the settings, and now I've run into the water. The game is not freezing on OBS. Alright, no more error, and now runs perfectly smooth. So shortly, this is how to fix this error, and I really wanted to share with you how I fixed mine, because it was really hard to find something to fix it, man. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to thumbs up the like button, leave your thoughts down in the comments, and I hope you have a great day.